Hello and welcome. It's Jilly and I'm here in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a lovely, hopefully lovely acrylic pour in green tones with a few neutral colours to make it pop. So here we go. Excited for this because I've said before I'm not a green lover, but I just fancied trying in the greeny tones. So let's go for this one. That probably could do with a little thinning down, I would say. But let's try it. Isn't that a gorgeous colour? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I'm not going to worry too much about the sides at this point in time. That is a beautiful colour. I made this colour myself. It was white and then I added a little bit of Viridian green, that's all. And then I'm going to use the full strength Viridian green with a little bit of metallic silver in it to give it the sparkle. So that is lovely colour, very nice. Rightio, I'm going to start off with, this was Viridian green and I added a bit of black and also a bit of the metallic silver. So I'm going to do puddle pours over this particular canvas, keeping it in these tones. This is a nice easy way of doing this effect and always seems to work beautifully, so you must give it a go. Just puddle pouring. The canvas has got the measles. Well, I've gone dotty. Rightio, I am going to now put a light colour down, this was white and I just added metallic silver to it. So it's sort of gone that metallic-y, but pale grey. So got to put something in here to neutralise it, I guess. Just had these greens in my head and I have no idea why, because as I said, I'm not a green lover. I do love green, it's just not a colour I choose for clothing or any home furniture. So this is the Viridian green and I added metallic silver to it to give it the lovely shimmer. Got a beautifully hot day here in Queensland, Australia. I think we're on 28, 29 today. I'm very lucky that we do have a pool to go into to cool down. So after I've painted, that is where I'm headed. Rightio, going to add a bit more of that silver white again. And then I am going to put a pop of colour in here for sure. I'm going to go it is actually called Wicca, but I added some white to tone it down a bit. So it has turned out a really kind of bright yellow. But I'm pretty sure this yellow will disappear in this and go to making green again. So looks like fried eggs in there. And I'll go back to finish it off with the dark one. I must say I am loving these colours at the moment. They are, yeah, I think they're pretty cool. Now I'm going to just try something with that centre, well, not centre. I'm going to pour some of my, this is just Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam Lamp Black. So it's what they call a cell activator. Is to, just going to try it through maybe there. So let's see anyway how we go. Just putting it in on the very tip of my spatula. Wow, look at those beautiful gems pop up there. Wow. Give it a little bit. Maybe I should have done it on a smaller spatula, maybe. Yeah, I think, well, I'm hoping this is going to add a really, you know, a point of difference in there. So now I'm just going to give it the tilt. Tilt it all over the canvas. So I am loving those colours. Actually, green and gold, it's like the Australian colours for the it's Australian colours, I think. I know the Olympians wore green and gold. Just a nice gentle tilt over your canvas. So I've got the edges covered now. It's a nice relaxing piece actually to do. You're in your art room or your kitchen bench top or your laundry bench top. That's where I first started. Okay, just always tilt back to the center so you recenter your paint. Just not leaving the paint all in one blob. Rightio. I'm not sure whether to do a small swipe through that again. That's quite lovely. The colors are really nice. I'm really thinking those are quite nice. I'm going to come just with my smaller spatula, come through there. Oh, look at those, that's beautiful. Oh, when I bring you down close you'll see what I'm, that's gorgeous, that's absolutely gorgeous. So I have to do some more of those. So it's just putting it on this smaller spatula, just lightly skimming it on the top, and those lovely gems appear. Beautiful. So I'll just do a few of those because they're very, very nice. Just a little bit on the end of your spatula. Oop, didn't do that one real good, did I? Okay. I think that's all it needs. I'm going to give it a whiz over with my heat wand. That's lovely. Don't like that bit there. That's very nice. Oh my goodness. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at some of those super cells in there because it's gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's look at these super kind of gem-like. Oh, I'm getting a reflection back off my overhead lights. kind of looks like a serpent or a snake skin, I guess, but pretty lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. That's gorgeous. It looks like a big grub there. Looks like a very big grub. I'm not too keen on that bit there, so I'm not sure if I should swipe through that. Look at that though. That's beautiful. Sort of definitely gem-like, the whole thing. I've got a little pine frame that's a floating frame that I think this would look beautiful in as a gift. So what do you guys think? Is it a yay or a nay? It's super fun to do. Give it a go. And it was good trying these greens. What did you think of them? Okay, my lovelies, I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.